Special thanks to this company for sending us their 16-in-1 washable grooming kit. You can see here it comes with a handful of different attachments, wet and dry use, travel lock, multifunction timer, model number and stuff on the top, 16-in-1. Over here is some of the specs. Lithium ion battery. The charge time is 1.5 hours and it works for 90 minutes. So charge it an hour and a half, you get an hour and a half of use, which shaving, that'll take a minute. Super professional blade, high-speed motor, direct drive USB charge, and a 2-year warranty. Here is the back. It kind of tells you everything that comes with it. So you have a full-size trimmer, ear and nose trimmer, body trimmer, precision trimmer, a design trimmer, and a micro shaver. And you get an exclusive storage bag with the FK-8788T model like I have here. And just information there. So let's open this on up, take a look at it. See what we get here. What do we got? We have a nice bag, exactly like it said. That's right. So that's it for the box. So we have a nice company logo here right on this case with some nice zippers. Let's open it on up. Take a look at what we get. Whoa, look at that. What is this? Got some suction cups there. And then, is this like one of those things? It is! It's one of those things to wear while you're getting your hair cut. That's awesome. So, when you go to the barber and they're cutting your hair, this is what they put around you. That's great that it comes with that. We get a full, real instruction manual here. Very nice. And then, that's just foam. And then we have each one of the adapters. So there's one of them. Here's the body trimmer. Very nice. Looks like a comb almost. And then the design trimmer there to do little designs. That's why it's so small. This one was the micro shaver. This is the precision trimmer, a little smaller. This one is the ear and nose trimmer. And then on it is the full-size trimmer. And I think, yeah, that's it for in here. Now, we also have in here a couple of other things. Look at that. Almost didn't even notice it. So that's it for in the case. We have a comb to help you out, the USB cable for charging it, and then guards. So a few different guards, 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm, like the sizes there. And then also a nice little cleaning brush to clean it out. So this is the actual trimmer. You can see at the bottom, that's the connector for charging it. And outside of that, you've got your button here. Now you hold this to unlock it. Hold for 3 seconds to unlock. It even counts down. And look at that, now it's going. And then you can press it one more time to speed it up. And then off. It tells you your usage time and everything. And to take these off, they just kind of, I don't know how to really describe it well. They basically just pop off. Like you pull it off and then, grab your nose trimmer. You line up bottom part here, this little part sticking out with this little part. And once that's lined up, you're able to just push it on and then you just hit your button. And there we go. Very, very nice trimmer. I absolutely love this. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this to me so I could unbox it and show you everything that comes in this 16-in-1 grooming kit. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.